What up, good people? Huge shout out to Cavalier Ford for allowing me to review the 2025 Ford Escape. Today we're introducing the 2025 Ford Escape, a perfect blend of style and capability, wrapped in a striking vapor blue metallic. This SUV commands attention with a bold stance, measuring 180 inches long and 66 inches tall, riding on a 106-inch wheelbase with a 7.5-inch ground clearance. It's ready for whatever the road take you. Under the hood is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, delivering 180 horses for the torque, 199 at 4,000 RPM. This Escape sprint from 0 to 60 in just 5.8 seconds with a top speed of 127 miles per hour and with a fuel efficiency rating at 31 mpg on the highway and 29 in the city. This ST line trim is designed to give the popular compact SUV a more athletic and street-inspired look. It takes the standard Escape design and add more sporty touches to both interior and exterior. This have an MSRP of $32,000. This particular model have a remote start. Now we're making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted with black leather seats with red stitching. Right here we're looking at a digital gauge. On the left you have your engine temp, on the right you have your gas gauge, in the middle you have a little Escape. Using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel, you can go through My View, Music, Trip, Tire Pressure, and much more. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control setting with your volume button with your voice command. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth button with your menu button. Looking on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control with mirror control. Right here, we're looking at a 13.2-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, running the latest sync. You have your engine start stop button, aka your push button start. This particular model is a keyless entry. In the cubby area, you have your Type-C outlet with your USB outlet alongside your 12-volt outlet. You have your shift bezel. This particular model is an 8-speed automatic transmission. Behind the shift bezel, you have your electronic parking with your brake hold. You have your cup holder area. Now we're making our way to the center console. Wow, this is pretty deep. You can put about 7 zebra cakes in here, maybe 20. You have your glove box for extra storage space. Now we're made our way up to your interior lighting. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're also greeted with black leather seats with red stitching. You have your air vent. Looking down from the air vent, you have your 2 Type-C outlets. We done made our way back up to your interior lighting. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control.
Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 34.5 cubic feet, with all the seats folded down, measuring at 65.4 cubic feet. Wow, this is pretty spacious. Once again, huge shout out to Cavalier Ford for allowing me to review the 2025 Ford Escape. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.